In this video, we're going to talk about mitigation guidance powered by AI in attack path analysis. We've released a new feature that helps customers get step-by-step mitigation guidance to help remediate various risks in the environment. Go to Findings. Let's pick a risk out called DC Sync. As we can see, we can still get the details, but under mitigation guidance, you'll see we have a new pop-up. This gives you mitigation guidelines on how to remediate the risk of a DC sync attack. These are just guidelines. These are not actual step-by-steps, as they may vary per environment. So we can see we need to identify all local administrator accounts, password policies, validate that all users are utilizing least privileged, regular audits, and continuous improving. Let's take a look at another one for an internet exposed asset. Under mitigation guidelines, you can see how AI changes the step-by-steps based off the attack path. As you can see, mitigation guidelines help users identify and help mitigate the risk of this attack path. These steps will vary for internal requirements.